Converting an audio or video file to a script can be quite a daunting task, especially if the language used is not your native language, or maybe the audio is just bad. So if you're wondering what to do, don't worry. Today I have 3 AI tools that you can actually leverage to make your work 10 times easier. And make sure you stay till the end, because I promise you, the last one is an absolute winner. Without wasting time, let's get right into it. Our first AI tool is going to be Riverside. Now we'll just go to Google and you're going to search for riverside.fm/transcribe. You can either do that or you can just search for Riverside Transcribe and it's going to bring you to this page. Now you're just going to go ahead and sign up with either your Google, your Spotify or your Apple account. So this is where you will land. And you can just go ahead and answer some questions here. You can choose to skip this, but in my case, I'll just hit the AI transcribe since that's what I'm interested in. And once you're here, you'll just go ahead and hit go to studio. And now you'll be able to upload your audio or video file. Now, alternatively, where you can see where the cursor is, you can go ahead and paste a link. If you want to paste maybe a YouTube video link, that is where you're going to go ahead and paste your link. And now we're just going to hit upload and you're going to upload our audio. Now we'll just hit transcribe and the AI is going to go ahead and start transcribing our content, whether video or audio. And it's going to go to do this in 3 stages. The first one is, of course, it's going to upload your content. And the next one is going to process it. And the third one, it's just going now to transcribe your content. So you're just going to give it a minute to go through all these processes and give you your final product. Now our script is ready, so we're just going to go ahead and click check it out. And now you'll be able to see the transcribed script here. You'll be able to see your script here, and now you can just play your audio and you can go through the entire script that you've been given, just to make sure everything is speechy. Like, I wouldn't just pick everything that I've been given by an AI and assume that everything is okay. I think it's good to just go through it and make sure that everything is okay. The AI is just here to make your work, a bit easier.
Alcohol,
not to do the
despite its widespread acceptance and cultural significance, presents a myriad of dangers that extend beyond its immediate effects.
Don't just leave everything to the AI. You may end up getting a bit disappointed. Now, if you want to correct something here, what you do is you're just going to click on it and you'll be able to see a correct part just like this, and you'll be able now to input the word in case there is any mistake. Now you can go ahead and input maybe the right word in case it's something you see the AI has missed. Like in this case, well, there was no mistake, but I'm just trying to show you exactly how you can do it. So like here we have input now the word that we want, and you're just going to go ahead and click on correct, and that is going to replace the word that was initially there. Now if you want to import your video or your audio, this is where you will just go to, you just hit import and you'll be able to see this. You can choose the quality that you want to import in. But since if you're importing a video, just go ahead and click video. But since we already have our original audio and we really don't need that, what we need is the script. Now up here next to the show deleted text, you can see 3 dots. That's where you click and you can go ahead and download your transcript. But if you're on a free account, you'll not be able to do that because all these are, pro features. So now what you do is you just go ahead to click the 3 dots next to your transcript, and you'll be able to copy, and you can just copy that and go ahead and paste it in a Word document. And now you can just go ahead and take it from there. But as it is right now, you're not able to actually download this directly from Riverside. If you want to do that, you'll have to pay for an account. Our second AI tool is Descript. Now you just go to Google and search for Descript, and this is the page. This is their page that you'll get to. Now, I don't recommend that you hit get started for free unless you want to download their app. And you can just go ahead and see all the services that they offer here. Now, as you can see, they have transcription, and that is exactly what you're interested in. So we're just going to go up there and you're going to click on sign up. If you have an account, you can just go ahead and sign in. Now they have several plans. So they have the free plan, and with the free plan you get 1 hour of transcription per month, and you can just go through their plans and see which one fits your needs better. So now this is their homepage. You can just go through it and see all the services that they offer. But in our case, all you're interested in is the transcription feature. On the upper right hand side, you'll be able to click new, and you can add a video project or audio project. Ours is an audio, so we're just hitting audio project. And now we'll just go ahead and change a few things. For instance, we're going to give our transcript a name, and that's not necessary, but if you have a lot of projects going on, it's good to just name your project so that you know what is what. Now the next thing is that we are going to add our audio, and you're just going to now upload it. Now if your audio script has multiple speakers, you need to go ahead and input the names of the speakers in this box over here. And you can also go ahead and choose the language that you want your transcript to be in. As you can see, there are so many languages here. I'm pretty sure you're bound to find your language here. So you can just go through the list and see the language that you want to have it in. We'll just leave ours in English, and you're just going to hit done. And now our transcript is, processing. Our audio is processing. As you can see, it's doing its thing. And now we have our transcript over here. It's ready. You can just go through your transcript and make sure that everything is in order. For instance, now if you want to edit a word, all you need to do is just highlight it and click C, and you'll be able to change the word. You'll be able to make the correction that you need. It's actually really that simple. Once you're done, just hit correct, and that's that. For instance, you're just checking hours, and as you can see, correct, and it's all done. So the next thing that you need to do is you can just go to actions, and you'll be able to see a list of all the actions that you can take with your script. The next thing, you can also hit write mode, and write mode, basically what it does, it makes the whole script editable. So you can just go ahead and input the cursor where you want to edit something, and as you can see, you'll be able to add or delete some words, and it's basically in edit mode. So you can just go ahead and do that. Once you've checked everything is okay, you can just go to the upper right hand side, and you see the word publish. Now you'll just go ahead and click on publish. As you can see, there is export and publish. If you choose publish, you'll be able to get a link that you can actually share with other people, that will be able to access this transcript. You'll be able to share this wherever you want. And as you can see, you also have an option to set who will be able to see this one. You can set it to public, or for the people that have a link, like Google Drive. Yeah. So the next thing, if you just want to export this to your computer, all you need to do is just go to export. You can export your audio or your transcript, and basically you can see all the formats that you're able to export your transcripts in. In case you feel like you want to do some more work on this document, maybe later on, you can just go ahead and export this as an editable document. It's actually really that simple. Our third and final tool is turboscribe, and this one is actually my favorite, and you'll see why shortly. Now this is turboscribe, so we're just going to go ahead and hit start transcribing for free. And now this is their homepage, and as you can see, they are basically dedicated to transcribing. So of course the service that you're going to get is way better than the other tools that have multiple things that you're doing there. And yes, you're able to transcribe both audios and videos. And as you can see, you have all the formats of videos and audios that you can transcribe there. So we're just going to upload our audio. Now you can hit this link sign up here. If what you have is a link, you can actually just have a link from maybe Google Drive or even YouTube or whatever. So all you need is just that link, and you hit the link sign, and you'll be able to actually input your link over here and just hit import. But since we have our audio, we're just going to go back, and now our audio has uploaded. Now the next thing is you're going to choose the language that you want your transcript to be in. Yeah. So there are so many languages here. Again, I'm sure you'll not miss your language over here. So you're just going to go ahead and choose your language. Now there are 3 modes. There's the cheetah, the dolphin, and whale, but apparently the whale is actually the most accurate. It's lower but most accurate, so we're just going to go with that. And now if you have several speakers in your transcript, this is where you just go ahead to check the recognize speakers option. Since ours doesn't have multiple speakers, we really don't need that one. So we are just going to go ahead and hit transcribe. everything looks peachy, so we're just going to hit transcribe and the AI is just going to start doing its work. Up here you can see the progress of your transcript. Now it's completed. So next to the status, there's these 3 buttons. You're just going to hit on this and you can see all the actions that you can take. So the first thing I want to do is just rename this. So I'm going to rename this to something that I can easily remember. So once it's renamed, now we'll just go back there and you're going to say open transcript so that we can just look at it and make the corrections that we need over here. So as you can see, it has all these timestamps, but since I do not need timestamps in my audio, I'll just uncheck that from the right hand side panel. If you want to edit your transcript, on the right hand side panel, you'll be able to see the edit transcript. Just click on that. And now you are able to edit your transcript. So all you need to do is just highlight a section that you want to edit and click on the pen up there. And as you can see now, the whole, segment is editable and you can, make the changes that you need. The next thing that you're able to do here is actually share your transcript as, a link. All you need to do again is just hit on this share transcript as a link. And again, you're able to download your audio in case you need your audio for whatever reason. Now, the next thing, you can export your audio in all these formats, whether PDF, docs, even SRT. So you have all these choices, as you can see. Now you get why this is actually my favorite. So if you want to do some more work on this, just like we saw in the previous tool, just export this as an editable document. Since we are satisfied with ours, I'm just going to download this as, a PDF. I'm good with that, so I'm just going to download this as a PDF. If you have a lot of projects going on, you can go ahead and, organize this in folders. So on the left-hand side panel, you'll just click on new folder, and now we are just going to give our folder a name. You can give whichever name that you want, and then you're going to go ahead and create your folder. Now you're going to transfer all the files that you want in that folder. So we'll just go to recent files and you'll be able to see the files that you have created there. And again, to the 3 dots after the status, you can just click on that and you'll be able to see an option to move. So you click on that and you'll choose the file where you actually want to move the file, the folder into which you want to move the file. Now you'll have 3 free transcripts per day with turboscribe. So you can just go ahead and make use of that. If you need more, then you'll have to purchase one of their plans. If you'd like to keep up with the latest in the world of AI tools, remember to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.